Check it out. Venice Beach, Cinco de Mayo weekend. Lowrider car show. Venice Beach Boardwalk. That's the skate park, ocean, graffiti pit. Oh yeah, the famed Venice sculpture, man. This is my hood. This has been my hood for over 20 years. We got all the clubs out here. We got street styles. We got 310 car club. We got some vendors over here. We got Venice brand over here. Hey man, Venice brand, they got some cool stuff. Check that out. Check all this out right here. Oh hey look, here's the owner of Venice brand. Here's the owner of Venice brand. Hey, you want to say something about your product?
Yeah, we got this beanies, Bronze Age, and babies.
Well, tell me a little bit about your product.
Oh, well,
just speak on it.
What we do is make sure that we elevate Venice art and all of our local artists and create merchandise that people will enjoy and quality custom pieces as well.
I gotta show the people your jacket though. Oh yeah, check this out now. Oh yeah, that jacket's badass right there.
New art.
Oh yeah, this jacket's badass. Alright, my girl TK, Venice brand. All right. Yeah, we got a pimp Eldorado right here. Dang, this Eldorado, the pimp mobile. The 70, right? 70 Cadillac Eldorado.
Friday night they offered me 16, they wouldn't have taken it.
68 Impala, fastback. Oh man, Lowriders. I mean, if you guys follow my page, if you follow my videos, you know I love me some Lowriders. I love the beach. I love to ride. So I'm doing all three today. Bike riding, Lowriders, the beach. Doesn't get any better. Oh, I've seen that T-Bird before. That T-Bird is sick. Honestly, I love Lowriders because of the paint job too. Look at this license plate. Es un 62. 62. What's the name of that club? Ah, Listics. Okay. Oh, this T-Bird is sick right here. I like that mural. Dang, I've seen this one before. I found it in the Santa Monica parking lot. Check out that interior. We got the moon roof over here. Oh yeah, man. Okay, so we got a little bit of hot rod style. This ain't no cruiser, we got some muscle under here. This is a muscle car. '60 Impala. You got the street performers over there. West Side Classic Club. Oh, what? That paint job is sick though. I like it. I like it. Lace. And they actually do use lace patterns. They get some like lacy underwear and just spray paint it. Stylistic. I've seen this car before. I've seen a lot of these cars before because they're locals. They live in the Venice, Santa Monica area. Oh, this guy got a tape player. Awesome, he's got a tape player. Ah, Tupac. Venetians Car Club. Okay, this row is Venetian. These are Venice locals over here. This is the Community Car Club. All these people are locals. They're in the Venice, Santa Monica area. Okay, here we go. I want to show you something. So this is a 58 Impala, first year production. 59 Impala. Look at the big difference here. '58, '59. Where are the flags at? Wow, there's the size, isn't it? It's getting bigger. Let's go check out the German Mike store. West Side Classic. Venice Beach. Cinco de Mayo weekend. Everybody got on the Venice gear. Downtown, West Low. California World Fair 1939. Straight six? Yep. Wow. That thing goes about 12 miles an hour on a good day. Yeah, be cool. Oh, 310 Riders, I know them.
No circus, never on the biggest one. The mama gon' shake it fast. Shake it fast. Watch yourself. Shake it fast. Show me what you work. Shake it fast.
Put some bass in that.
Watch yourself. Shake it fast. Show me what I like. My mama fire like I am. Jumping and bowling. Running up behind. Go ahead, do your job. Pop it like a real girl don't like. Know that you won't go back to my house. You gotta be all the way over the dance off this. I'm your business, but I know you do it way better. You're dead wrong. So if you don't buy it, this ain't no fast by girl. You find yourself on the floor. It's your sound. Do your thing, don't be scared. You don't get served. You get mad, you don't get turned. Look. Baby, let me show you this thing. Hustle, hustle. Attention, all your ways of dance right now in the place to be. Shake the thing. I thought I told you this before. Y'all please can't mess with me. lifetime. Am I wrong? Cause I'm trying to make this life mine. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Cause I like to run around with a knot. Am I wrong if I don't care?
What's going on, sir? I put you on camera? I put you on camera? Hey, you want to speak on your brand here?
What's that?
You want to speak on your brand? Just tell everyone what you got?
Chicano hobby, we have everything that has to do with Chicano culture. From the lowrider cars, cups, purses, wallets, hangers, shirts.
Thank you. He's like, what you want me to say? Just speak on your brand, that's it. So we got another Venice vendor over here. Growing up Venice. Check this out. That's really, really cool. Hey, what's up? What's up? That is really, really cool. Cinco de Mayo weekend, Venice Beach, California. Lowrider Car Show. I'm hungry. I gotta find me some tacos. This is the back half of the Venice Beach Car Show today. Cinco de Mayo weekend, Venice Beach, California. Venice Beach basketball court, Muscle Beach. Oh wow. That's kind of cool, a lowrider limo. And it didn't have 13, it's got 18, so it was 20. Well, the 20s on there, huh? And we got the east side out here, east side bombs. Okay, so this thing's just the west side thing, that's cool. Gotta show love to the east side gotta show love to the west side. East side bomb? I don't see one though, I don't see one bomb. 1.5. Handball courts, I come through in the summertime, I sell sodas. That's the Venice Beach Police Station. There used to be a playground here, but they tore it down like a year ago. What is this, Biscayne? Bel Air? Ah, cool. Oh, don't. Oh, it's an Impala. I did not know it was a photo Impala. That roof line, though. That's the one that I wanted right there. That's 70 Eldorado. That Eldorado's a mean pimp mobile. That is a pimp mobile. front and back, and side to side.
Yo, this is your reality coming in live. Taking pride in their families. That's what you're telling me. What's up, man?
Stand up.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Let me wrap up this video. We're here at Venice Beach, California. This is my hood. Venice. Venice Beach, California, my hood. Cinco de Mayo weekend, Lowrider car show. Let me wrap this up. I just want to say, hey, thanks for watching my videos. And hey, keep subscribing to me because I'm trying to make this work, okay? Peace out, y'all.
Stay cool out. Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah. Talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny it. No matter what you say, their eyes don't show lights. No way. You can't disguise. Recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you'll ever need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny, but it's not very funny right now. And I want it to be. And I will be again. But God damn it! Let's get the balance back, okay?
Watch out your mouth. Make yourself clear, we may not believe. No. Don't kid yourself. What has been said on earth can be erased. Just getting the phone out, though your pretty face can't deny it. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show lights. No way. You can't disguise. Recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you never need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes, I get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes, get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny, but it's not very funny right now, and I want it to be, and I will be again. But God damn it, let's get the balance back, okay?
I never wait, and you're still so lost. You got power in your eyes, I get you open doors. I never